The Amyotropic Lateral Sclerosis Award is funded by the Rosemary Palmer Brown Estate, and this year the recipient is Associate Professor Steve Vucic from the University of Sydney and his project titled Cortical Hyperexcitability and ALS.
Your Excellency Professor Bashir, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to start off by thanking the Brain Foundation for their generous support of my research into ALS. My road or research trip in motor neuron disease started way back in 2005, some 6 years ago. Now, most of those patients have since passed away that I originally studied, and I think our research, when I started off my research, one of the basic questions was, where does motor neuron disease begin? And over these last 6 years, we've, I think, managed to gain some further insights into where that is, and have on the way developed a neurodiagnostic test which allows a more efficacious diagnosis of this disorder, so that patients have certainty, and also they can be recruited into future therapeutic trials. The funding that I've received from the Brain Foundation this evening will enable me to carry on this work, and in particular I'm aiming to combine very sensitive techniques for measuring both brain and peripheral nerve function in order to determine where the disease precisely begins. And the ultimate, in addition to these to this research question, I aim to also translate this research using a combination of sophisticated anatomical and molecular techniques, so that ultimately we can develop a cure for this devastating disorder. So thank you very much for this generous support.